Assalamu alaikum. Hi everyone. Welcome back my YouTube channel Rimsha Decoration. I hope all my viewers are fine and enjoy the day of life. If you know about my YouTube channel or are like me, then don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Please make sure press the bell icon. So you told any other amazing video like this one, then don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. So guys, please watch this video to end. And then don't miss another amazing video designs and decorations. So guys, I am back with another beautiful idea about birthday cake decorations in different styles, different color combination and different sizes. Here are some amazing, delicious and eye-catching chocolate cake decorating ideas that suit both home run and professional parties. I hope you enjoy my video. Most beautiful, most amazing and most creative designs. If you're new to my YouTube channel, then don't miss another amazing video like this one. Then don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. How to decorate your cake with a beautiful way. I provide you simple idea for your cake that is most essential, that is most creative. If you like any designs and take a screenshot of it. Thank you so much guys for watching my YouTube video and collecting my beautiful channel in these types of design video. Chocolate cake decoration ideas special for chocolate lovers. All the designs look so attractive, so stylish, so amazing, so beautiful. And I hope you like this design with themed and color combinations. If you are interested in these types of design, please visit my channel and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. I hope this design and this creativity are fantastic. I hope this video is very scientific and creative for your beautiful video and beautiful ideas. You can choose a theme perfect for birthday celebrations, baby showers, bridal shower, groom shower, anniversary, professional party or any other celebrations. Cake decorating ideas can elevate any celebrations. Chocolate cake decorating ideas transfer space into bright celebrations. All the designs are very unique and trending. If you like any designs, and take a screenshot of it and also do try my amazing cake recipe. They are so easy to make and absolutely delicious. I am sure cake decoration ideas from this video. You can use a theme perfect for birthday celebrations, baby showers. I hope you like this design with themed color combinations. If you want to see more make party decoration ideas like cake decoration, then please visit my channel. Thank you so much everyone. Allah Hafiz.